Okay, this video is explain how to do the balance for the specific plate. First, you need to turn on the machine and choose the right plate size on the film type list here. Like choose 510 and 400. And thickness is 0.15. Okay, the machine is power on and it's going to stand by. Okay, click Load Film. And you need to put the film on the platform, and the machine will check the film. And now the film checked. Okay, next click Alt Calculator. First, there is a window show and ignore it, and there's another window show B1 angle and B2 angle. Just remember these numbers. Okay, remember these numbers and click modify, input the password. Okay, fill the numbers we just remembered from the calculate the balance 1 and balance 2. Yeah, then we waiting for the new film balance, change to new film balance ready, and go to the section 1 page and wait. Until we see the run button here. Click run, and you can check the balance status of the machine to see if the shake status is stable or not. Yeah, if it is, then click stop. If it is not the right one, then you need to do a balance, a fine tuning. Here, put another data here to do the fine tuning. The numbers here is about from -4 to 4. The range is from -4 to 4. Yeah, you need to use these numbers. Okay, and just click update balance button and keep running until you feel the shake is stable. You got the right data. Every time you put the input the data here, you need to remember those numbers, B1 and B2 numbers, and when you get the right one, you need to fill the right numbers here in this plate. The balance okay. The film here. Remember the balance numbers B1 and B2 and the right numbers and fill them here. Then it is done. Okay, that's it. If you don't understand, you still can ask me.